White House Task Force leader Dr. Deborah Birx is calling for area leaders to do more to curb the pandemic in Kansas.
When you have rising test positivity, you really need to close the bars, restrict indoor dining, decrease social gatherings, and really ensure that there's a mask mandate.
41 Action News reporter Nick Starling was there for her arrival today. He joins us now live with her message. Nick?
Andres, Dr. Birx says she's very concerned about the growing number of coronavirus cases here in Kansas. She says that the test positivity rate is nearing 10% positive, which means Kansas would then enter the red territory, meaning that additional measures should be taken. Now, she alerts that to maybe a growing number of the community spread here in the metro. She's urging all of us to wear masks, both inside and outside if you can't be 6 feet from one another, and not to hold social gatherings. So what about sports? As many students and parents here in Wyandotte County want the kids to play, as some school leaders have voted to cancel the fall season. Dr. Birx says it's up to each school district to make that decision, but the coach can really make a difference.
So if he can convince his high school students to wear a mask, to socially distance, to not go to parties, to not go to house parties where there aren't masks being used, to not take their mask off when they're in the groups less than 6 feet, we know that we can stop the spread.
Now, in terms of a mask mandate, we know many of our communities have them, but she says it's the administration's role that they say that the states should make those decisions on their own. Now, Dr. Birx is basically on a nationwide road tour, and she will hit up Missouri a little bit later on this year. Reporting live in KCK, Nick Starling, 41 Action News.
Thanks, Nick. Dr. Birx's arrival comes as Missouri and Kansas surpassed 100,000 cases combined. In Kansas, more than 1,200 new cases were reported Friday, making it a single-day record. The state also knows of more than 400 people who have died from COVID-19.